Uh, Good afternoon to everyone. I want to share with those people who has a difficulty on taking cell phone picture or video in their own, and they may find themselves somewhere, uh, but no one around that can help them. That is technology advance. We have everything, but some people has a complication. Maybe they don't understand English as I do. Maybe they cannot read, but by looking in the picture, they may figure out in the case that um, they buy a device that they don't know how to use it, and they want to use a cell phone to take the picture. Um, I think this instrument for me, I find it very simple, very easy to use, and I bought it from it called SunPak, SunPak 66, SunPak 66, um, uh, Pro Series 66 tripod, tripod. I bought this um, from a Target on a sale. It was a 29 plus a tax, but the regular price was a 24. When I came home, I when I started and start taking picture. If I go vacation, and they would help me take a selfie picture or family picture, which I would to um, need the help. This SunPak 66 tripod, cell phone or camera for stand holders. When they open and they show the composition of the device, uh, how is it inside. It came with the box. When you open the box, it will show you it has the bag. It came inside for the bag. It came also with this one for instruction, how you can figure out to read and figure out how you can install the tripod stand holder of the camera or cell phone. This one. Let me open and show you the content of what is in the bag. Uh, yeah, this one is what is in the bag. The instrument. I want people who has a difficulty but they eat and they don't know what they can do, where they can put the cell phone to use it to take the picture. Because when you look back at here, they don't demonstrate it, how you can do it. Um, this one, it came with this one and this one. This one is the tripod stand holder of the camera or a cell phone for those who want to take the picture. This one is what I want to focus on, show you how you can install it on the plate over the tripod stand the camera holder. This one is the cell phone holder. Okay, first of all, I want to show how you can open this instrument. If you don't know how to open it, you just pull like this one. It gives you three legs. These three legs allow you to put them on a table, on the floor, wherever you want it to be stand. If you want it to be a little bit higher, you just open here. Okay, I'm gonna open. This one is locker. When you open it, it became, and you can block it, lock it. It's blocking. Go here. Okay, it has a two locker. You can just I did the first locker. Okay, and close. I use this one, the bottom one, lockers, lock. Okay, and I close. Now it making me making it longer. For now, I don't need it. I just put back the way it came from the start. Got it. I just open again and push back and the lock and go back. See, open again and push back and the lock. And go back here. I open and push back and the lock. I finish on the opening and how we're going to make it a little bit taller, the way the height you want it the standard to be. Uh, when I came in here, it has a mini part that when you look at the instruction, you will find each part, they give each part the name, but there is some people don't speak English like me. I will not understand what is this mean, and I will not match detailed how it is the name they gave it on the instruction, but just watching how you can manually it to the desire you like it to take the picture. That is most important, but not the name, because you can use it without knowing the name as long as it works. This one here, even though you don't have a, I want to eat, despite of the leg, I want to make it be also higher even from here. Okay, this one will help me move the stand camera holder up to the next higher is if you want a higher is to be high, yeah, the way you like it. To do so, this one here is has the screw that I'm gonna loosen it. I loosen it, and this one I lift and that tool. I'm a right hand. Okay, when I turn it, you see, it's going up until the level high you want your camera or your cell phone camera to be. Then you start. Um, Now I don't need it for it for now. I want to put it back the way normal position. Just turn again. Okay, this one help for moving the standard up and down. Now this one, it help you move the handle. This handle help you move around your camera cell phone the way you like it. If you want to turn it more down, if you want to turn it left side, right side, you can use the previous your camera, whatever you want it. To do so, you need to this one here need also to be loosened and to help the motion, circulation motion over the device. Um, the most important part that I want to share with you um, is how you can uh, installate this piece of device here of cell phone hold. As you see, it came three pieces, but it came with three pieces. But my focus will be on the cell phone holder. This will be is my focus for today. These cell phone holders, you can when you lift it, it's going up. When it's going up, is to allow you place your cell phone on the size of your cell phone. With a cell phone like mine is a Paxo 6, it will be larger. Like the way it is, will not fit here. I must straighten it up to make the cell phone uh, be well placed. Okay, I finish. Well, I finished this one. How I can put it here? This is the most important. And because when you look at the instruction, they didn't show it how you can place it. When you finish this one, you put it here. Then I came here to the camera, to the standard. Understand that you see is the platform here. This platform allow you to plate, allow you to put your camera or attach this cell phone holder, camera cell phone holder. This one platform allow attach to do so. What you can do? Now I cannot put this cell phone holder here because when I put it here, it's going to go down. And when it's going to go down, it will not well fasten it. I need to take the platform out. To do so, um, here I have here device. This one device here allowing me to pull back. Okay, this one is locked over the platform. When I put it back toward me, it allows me to remove the platform out. When the platform, this one plate is out, it's going to help me fasten the cell phone holder trap tripod. Okay, it has the hole over there. This hole I put it here. Uh, here. Okay, I put it here. Okay, and I turn it back like this one to allow me because it has a nail here that is going to allow me to fasten it to make it stronger. It's here. I left it. Then I turn it. That's not it. Mhm. Yeah, it's a little bit more complicated. Oh, did I go through? There you go. Yes, now let me straighten it. It was not able to straighten it then. Okay, this position. Either position. Yeah, it's now here. Let me fasten it and put this one down. Put this one down to allow it to be well placed on the holder. Now you see it is already fastened. Uh, and I want to now place it on the standard. How I can do so? I will put it the same. I took it out by the help of this locker here. I move it the same way back. Then I place uh, the platform which the cell phone holder. Then I release it. Uh, when I release it, you see now it's locked. It's well placed. Now it's going to allow me to place my cell phone. I'm ready to place my cell phone now. I used to take my cell phone and I want to leave it straight it. Leave it straight, yeah. Okay. Mm. Okay, now I take my cell phone. This cell phone is not charged, but I take also how to show example how it will work. Because my cell phone is a little bit bigger, I needed to lift this one up. I lifted this one up. So, I lifted the cell phone holder up. Tripod and make it well supported. Okay, that's I finished. Now my cell phone is ready to make a video or to take the picture. Which I would need of someone to hold the cell phone and help me take a picture or video. If myself I want to work on a taking a picture, I want to use the handle. This one handle will help me move my cell phone around. Yes, I will move the cell phone around when I'm taking a video, maybe. We position what I like it. This one here. Okay. Now I want my cell phone. I want to take my cell phone in vertical position, but now it's in horizontal position. But I want a vertical position. I cannot use for this machine. I don't know other handling the cell phone handle for the camera for handling over hold the camera or other have automatically that I can switch the camera the cell phone vertical. But now I want to use my cell phone vertical. I just lifted this one to the side. Now I lift my cell phone to the side by hand. Let me make it to be straight. Yes. Now it's going to help me out. Let's see that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now it helping me make my cell phone vertical, and I want to start recording or taking a picture. Any work I want to do in vertical, which is cell phone, I'm ready to do so. Now I don't need to use it now, but I'm just demonstrating to people who has a difficulty for both the SunPak tripod and they don't know how they can place the cell phone to do the work they want video or take a picture. Now I don't need it for now. I put it back to the position that I installed. Okay, now I finish. I'm taking my picture. Just manipulate my cell phone and how I can take the picture. But I finished. I want to put it back. I want to go home and I want to put my cell phone back on the package or the bag. What how I can do to take this remover of stuff cell phone? Yes, I just lifted the cell again. I lifted it. I take my cell phone now. Put it here, and I want to take out also the cell phone handle. I do the same I did when I place it and when I take the plate. I just put back this one and then put this one. I take my cell phone handle. I want to switch cell phone to my camera, but I cannot switch my cell phone camera like this. I need the platform to be here to allow me place the camera. Okay, I go back here. Then I lose it. I loosen the screw. Yes, I finish now. This one, I keep it for next time. I want to use my cell phone again, and I put it back. Uh, the platform, the holder, just the same way. Okay, that's all now. Now just if someone you have a camera, we do the step over how we can place the camera. Now I'm done. I want to back my on the bag because I want to go home. Okay, just lay this one back here. I just this one here you can pull up. It became the same way. Now I still use the plastic because I want for me I want to protect it from dusty. dust because I want it to be very easy. I put it back into the plastic. Okay, but deep on here. I take my cell phone holder, I put it back also to the smaller plastic. You can do whatever you see. It's not obligation to put back, but if you want to put, you can put it. But if you want to leave them separately because you are using it, bon, do your best. I finish. Bon, I put together here inside for me not to forget or to lose. Okay, I finish. I put back to my the bag. Uh, I'm ready now to go home because I finished my work of taking pictures or recording video. Okay. Um, Thank you for watching my video. If you find my video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and see you next time for other things.